back to another episode. So right now we've got a dead water heater, and just wanted to show you the symptoms of a dead water heater before we take it out. All right, so what's happening right now is that the bladder that holds the water is compromised, so the main fire won't stay lit. I'm going to go over the process, so hopefully you'll be able to see and identify problems as such. Pilot. Hold down pilot. You could hear that. Okay, relighting attempt number 2. Flame has gone out, altering the gas level. Going out again, altering gas level. So it's going to keep on doing this until once the water heats up, you're going to see dribbles come down, and it's going to start kind of it's going to kind of pollute the flame with oxygen. I don't know if you could hear the sizzling. Once the water starts dripping from the bladder onto the pan, it'll sizzle, and that's how you know the bladder is compromised. So yeah, there's no saving this one. Anyway, good news is I just went to the store and got a new one. So alright, so hopefully you won't have this problem. Hope this helped you. Alright, since we're taking this out, might as well do a documentary. So first thing we do is we kill the gas. Take the connection off, and we kill the cold water connection. Alright, that's the cold water. And now the third step is connect the hose onto the drain line. We drain the tank, so we don't have to haul around 400 pounds of water. And then we crack open the pressure relief valve to open the vacuum.